Ukraine has just executed one of the most daring and innovative drone strikes of the entire war. Not from the sky, but from inside a Russian military transport train. In what some are calling Spiderweb 2.0, Ukrainian forces targeted a Russian military train loaded with tanks and armored vehicles in occupied southern Ukraine. The result: 13 tanks destroyed and over 100 armored and automotive vehicles obliterated. Here's how it worked. Ukrainian drones were hidden inside grain hopper cars that were attached to the military transport. As the train moved, hatches opened remotely, releasing the drones. The first wave of drones targeted the locomotive, halting the train. Then one by one the drones struck the military hardware loaded on the flatbed cars. Satellite and thermal imagery confirmed widespread destruction. Fuel and ammunition aboard the vehicles triggered massive secondary explosions. This wasn't just a flashy hit. It's a strategic blow to Russia's logistics. Destroying a moving supply train disrupts Russia's ability to reinforce the front lines, and it sends a clear message: nowhere is safe. Russian military bloggers erupted in frustration, demanding answers. How could drones be launched from inside a Russian train? This follows the first Operation Spiderweb on June 1st, where Ukrainian drones disabled 34% of Russia's strategic bomber fleet, causing an estimated $7 billion in damages. Spiderweb 2.0 adds another $100 million plus in destroyed equipment, with losses including T-64 and T-90 tanks, BMPs and BTRs. In response, Russian President Vladimir Putin reportedly warned former US President Donald Trump that retaliation is coming and, quote, "It probably isn't going to be pretty." Already, Russia has begun retaliatory missile and drone strikes on Kyiv and other Ukrainian cities. Civilian casualties and infrastructure damage have been reported. But Western analysts believe this is just the beginning. Russia's next move could be even more brutal and symbolic. Experts say targets may include Ukraine's government buildings or the security service headquarters, in an asymmetrical show of force that could involve ballistic missiles and long-range bombers. The war is entering a new phase where sabotage, surprise and stealth drone warfare are redrawing the rules of engagement. With $7.1 billion in damage already inflicted across 2 Spiderweb operations, Ukraine has forced Russia to rethink how and where it moves its war machine.